Good evening, everyone. How are you doing today? If you are new here, my name is Noor Al-Masri, tax and accounting professional. I'm also an enrolled agent with the Internal Revenue Service. A lot of you may be not familiar with what's an enrolled agent, and when I say it enrolled agent with the Internal Revenue Service, you may think I work with the IRS, but let me tell you, no, I don't. I am kind of I we cannot say certified, but we are authorized to represent taxpayers in front of the IRS. Therefore, one of the services I provide is to help you resolve any problem with the IRS, if it's in your personal level, a business level, or your nonprofit. Whatever problem, whatever entity has a problem, I I will be able to represent you in front of the IRS. Hello. So today I want to remind you of a tax deadline approaching soon. Actually, we have two tax deadlines. The first one is your S corp partnership. If you have filed an extension earlier in the year, then your 6 months are done. You must file by September 15th. There's no further extension. You must file by September 15th. So I get this question a lot. Like a lot of people, they don't know they can do an extension. Here, originally or initially, your taxes for businesses, which if you have an S corp or if you have a partnership, you you have to file your taxes by March 15 of every year. However, if you are not ready for any reason, maybe you don't have your bookkeeping ready. A lot of people like they cannot file because they don't have their finances together. So if for any reason you couldn't file on time, hopefully you have done an extension. If you filed an extension, that gives you 6 months to file. And this 6 month is up on September 15th. So you must file by September 15th. So if you are still looking to do your bookkeeping cleanup for last year, if you're still looking to do anything, please do it now. Like you are already late. You are already late. We are how? Like 6 weeks away from September 15th. It takes time to do everything. Your business return cannot be done in few seconds or in an hour. It's gonna take time because there's a lot of questions you need to answer. Maybe there are a lot of data you need to bring in. Of course, if you're doing your taxes with someone who really looking after what they can save you, how can they make it better for you, they should ask you a lot of questions. So if you are that person, if you are looking to do a good tax return for your business, then hopefully you've done it before. But I understand if you did not do it by March 15, you still can do it by September 15. Now, there's no more extension. So if you cannot file by September 15, you're going to be late. Therefore, you're going to receive a penalty. You know how much the penalty is? The penalty is 220 for each month for each partner. 220 for each month for each partner. So if you have two partners, then that is 440 for each month. This is non-filing penalties. So you must do your taxes now. I understand I receive a lot of calls from a lot of people. They haven't filed for years. Well, that is okay and not okay. You know, that is okay. Go ahead and correct right now. It's not okay that to not file, but you cannot go back and change the situation. And many people are failing into this, especially now with COVID was, and on their way, a lot of things like started to pile up. So people get behind. But if you correct it yourself, better than having IRS correct that for you. You want to take the lead and correct what you need to correct. You're not going to allow anyone else to correct this for you. You're going to do it by hiring the professional to help you do your tax returns, okay? So make sure you do not ignore the situation. Take an action now and start working your bookkeeping, your taxes for the back years. You don't want to end up paying hundreds of thousands just because you did not file on time, just because you just ignored it, and the interest and penalty continues to accrue. So make sure you take an action. So if you have not filed for your 2023 yet, your deadline is September 15. If you have not filed for any back years, your deadline is passed already, but you still can do it. So we still can file for you. We still can help you correct the situation. So you don't want to wait for yourself to, maybe you want to purchase a home. Now you do not have your taxes, you cannot purchase a home. Maybe you want to go to school, you cannot take loan. Maybe one of your kids wants to go to school and they want to apply for financial aid. They're going to ask about your taxes, you're not ready. You never know. Maybe there's an opportunity with the government, but you need to be on good standing. You need to have your financials ready. So why wait until this opportunity to pass and you cannot take advantage of it? You know what happened a lot during COVID when the government announced the PPP loan, the EIDL? A lot of people have not done bookkeeping before. They maybe have back taxes. They did not file. So they lost the opportunity of applying. Why do you want to get into this situation? Make sure you're ready for any opportunity. Make sure you are staying in compliance so you're not losing money unnecessarily. You're just paying what you have to pay. You're just doing what you have to do. That's what you have to be looking for. Okay, so I'm here to remind you again, September 15 is the deadline. If you have an S Corp or a partnership and you did an extension for 2023, deadline is September 15. Now, another deadline for business owners is to pay your estimated taxes, which is September 16. If you have to pay estimated taxes, then it must be paid by September 16. Now, for your personal return, if you did an extension back on for your business, so I'm sure you did an extension for your personal. If you filed your personal without filing your business, then you have to amend your personal. So hopefully you did not. So your personal return is due on October 15. These are the three deadlines I wanted to remind you with. And if you need help filing, feel free to reach out to me, book a call. I'm taking new clients right now for filing taxes, cleaning up bookkeeping, because I don't recommend that you do your taxes without bookkeeping, okay? Feel free to reach out before we get too busy with people coming in. People usually come up like in the last 2 weeks. Don't wait until then, because we want to make sure you are ready way before, so we don't have to rush your filing and then you're missing out on things that you can benefit from, okay? Again, this is a reminder. Also, I want to remind you about one thing. Oh, well, I didn't talk about it before. So I'm going on Instagram. Hello, Instagram. I'm going also through StreamYard to YouTube, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Now, I want to let you know that I started a new Facebook page. Not Facebook. Well, wrong. A new YouTube channel. If you are watching on YouTube, then you are watching on that YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed. I just started like a couple of days back because I wanted to separate between the YouTube channel I talk about nonprofits, and the YouTube channel I talk about business and taxes and accounting. So just so if you are interested in one topic, not the other, so you're not disturbed with other videos that does not make sense to you. So go ahead and subscribe for YouTube if you are interested on getting more information about business finances, taxes, bookkeeping, anything related to business and taxes. This is the right YouTube channel to be on. If you are interested on nonprofit content, you want to also subscribe to my original YouTube channel, which is Noura's Books, where I used to share everything between business, nonprofit, and everything. Now, like, I'm going slowly to take down all the business content from Noura's Books, and a lot of these contents will be moved to this channel, so it's more organized for you guys, so you can get more benefit from it. All right, that's it. Again, if you need help filing your taxes, let me know. Book a call with me. If you are on Instagram, you can message me. Obviously, in other social media form, I'm sorry guys, I can I'm not up to date with checking and my messages. Instagram, I'm good with checking the messages, but if you say hi, hello, how are you, most likely I'm not gonna get your message. I want you to tell me exactly what you want right away in one message, please, so it doesn't take long time. Okay, I don't want it to take forever for us going back and forth. So just let me know that you are interested. I'll send you my link so you can book a call. You can also find the link on my website. Go to nourasbooks.com/contact and you can book a Zoom call. I can help you wherever you are in the country or outside. If you have a filing requirement, I'll be happy to help you. All right, with that, have a great evening. Talk to you later.